What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And so for today's video we're going to be playing Clash Mini for the very first time. I have never played this before. So okay, welcome Mini Master. Would you like to play a game? Let's see. This is the Clash Mini game board where epic battles are fought. Okay, this is your hero. It is your most important unit. Summon a mini to fight with your hero. Okay, it seems okay. I don't really know what's happening. Clash. Okay, so it's gonna summon like two dwarfs, and then the king and the magic archer need to fight. Okay, so they both live. All right. I guess I won one round. Okay, minis can also be upgraded. So drag a mini to the board to upgrade it. So I don't know, I'm just going to put it right here. And also you have elixir, so I think that you need to save your elixir or something, but I don't know. Okay, so we got three dwarves. I don't even know if they're called dwarves, but I'm just going to call them dwarves for the sake of this video. And the king got knocked out. He just went flying. It's kind of ridiculous, but alright. Tap reroll to remove unwanted minions like Jeff. No offense, Jeff. Okay. Man, imagine if there was someone who was playing and his name was Jeff. He'd be really shocked by this, but anyways, okay, some minis have special abilities like clash abilities. Summon Spear Goblin has a clash ability. Okay, let's see what he does. Okay, clash abilities trigger at the start of a battle. Spear Goblin throws a huge spear. It's pretty devastating. Alright, let's see what he does. I actually have no idea how this game works. Okay, the king got knocked out and all the dwarves died. Okay, you won 3 battles, which means you won your first duel. Keep this up and you'll be a mini legend in no time. Alright, thanks. Okay, yeah, I won 3 battles, those flags. Okay, you won your first duel, choose a hero as your reward. So we have Barbarian King, we have Archer Queen, and we have the Shield Maiden. Honestly, I've heard from people who played this game that this is probably the best hero, so I don't know, I'm just going to go with her. Okay, Shield Maiden. I don't even know. Okay, what's your mini? Choose your username carefully. We're just going to put captaincto because why not? Yeah. Okay, what's this chest right here? Okay, no, it just wants us to open it. Alright. 500 gold. Okay. Wait. What? Wait, what is going? Okay, mini P.E.K.K.A. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. Star upgrade unlocked. Hack. There's still 5 items remaining. Okay, no, this is insane. Okay, you unlocked Healing Ranger. I don't even know what that does, and I don't even really want to read. I probably missed out on some important info, but you know, just for the sake of this video, okay, I think this is the Battle Maiden. No, it's not the Battle, it's the Shield Maiden. I always called it the Battle Healer for some reason from Clash Royale. Okay, I have no idea what they do. Oh, we got Spear Goblins. Alright. I don't even know what it does. Star upgrade unlocked. Pride. Okay, this one, what is it? Oh, you unlocked the miner. Okay, borrow, clash, and then surprise. Attacks gain backstab. I have no idea what that means. Oh, just unlock faster. Okay, we got the magic archer. Attacks of pierce, and finally, we got the wizard. Alright. I don't even know what they do. Probably miss. Okay, level 2. Alright, tap to continue. You've got a quest. Complete quests, you get special rewards. This quest needs your newest mini. So it's the magic archer, right? Okay, that's how you switch. Okay, it's as simple as that? 100 coins. And then you got 10 more, maidens or what? Okay, your next quest requires you to upgrade a hero. You can find heroes in your collection. Okay, oh, I need to click us right here. And we upgraded it, so I don't even know what it does. This game is so confusing. Okay, use a challenge coin to play in the ranked match. Oh, nice, you got a challenge coin. Use challenge coins to play for extra gold or extra trophies. Game modes, switch on to select ranked modes. Deal, let's go. Okay, is it going to give us a real player what? Okay. I have no idea what to do. Probably wants us to like put it right here. I don't know. Or is this a bot? I have no idea. Clash. Oh wait. Okay, but what's the magic coin though? Did we even use it or what? Oh. Wait, I have no idea what this is. Is it just that we watch a whole battle continuing because we won that one? Round 2, okay, let's just put this magic archer down. Okay. I think the clock right here where I'm pointing is the preparation time. So if you want to switch anything out, you can at that moment, and yeah. Okay, he has got like so many things. This is so messy. Oh man, okay, I hope my troops can survive in some way. I think they can. Oh man, that boss is so OP. I don't even know why I called it boss. Okay, 2 guys right here. Match point. Can I click this for some reason? Okay, mini P.E.K.K.A. Then I want to click this again. Healing Ranger. I just want to upgrade this mini P.E.K.K.A. again, because why not? It's, pretty unique. Clash. Okay, I don't know. Is this like some kind of chess game? Okay, mini P.E.K.K.A. versus mini P.E.K.K.A. They're struggling so much, and okay, the battle healer. Wait, did it stun her? Okay, no, those guys got defeated, and then there's one last person, and they all win. Okay, I see where this is going. Victory. Plus 5 trophies and 5 gold. Okay. I have no idea what it does. Okay, we got another challenge coin it seems, and we unlocked the giant skeleton. Alright. Star upgrade unlocked. Okay. Level up. Unlocked Adventure Road Daily Quest and Shop. You're ready for a mini adventure now. Good luck. I have no idea what this does, and I have so many purchases left or something. Okay, we got 1 free we got 5 free coins. And we're not going to use gold for now because I don't know what gold does, and I don't know if they're like that good. Okay, we have the Ewiz, the Lumberjack, the Polar, stuff from Clash Royale basically. And Apprentice 3. Okay, so this is kind of like the trophy road, and what is this? Featured heroes, Countess and Monk. New battle board, Silver 3. Okay, so this kind of like the news section, or like, yeah, pre-season 1. No, but this game, honestly, as someone who just played this for 10 minutes, I'm just going to end this here. It seems really confusing, but I think that when I play it more, it will have some potential. So yeah, I'll play some more off camera, but until then, I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Peace out.